Question number 8 of exercise 5.2. Here it is given that an AP consists of 50 terms. There are 50 terms in an AP and whose third term is 12 and the last term is 106. AP consists of 50 terms. So the last term will be 50th term. Okay. So last term का जो number होगा वो होगा 50. Means 50th term is given and the third term is given. We have to find out 29th term. So what is given in this question? It is given that n. First of all, how many terms are there? 50. Then third term is what? 12. And the last term means an. Or n is what? 50. Means what? A50 is given. It is what? 106. ओके लास्ट टर्म जो है वो क्या होगा सॉरी हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर 50 टर्म्स आर देयर तो लास्ट टर्म क्या होगा 50th टर्म ओके सो दिस थिंग्स आर गिवन एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट टू फाइंड व्हाट 29th टर्म 29th term we have to find out so we'll use the given things that is third term. Third term. The formula for third term is what? A plus 2D is equal to what is given? 12. Or 50th term is what? A plus 49D is equal to 106. 50th term is 106. This is first and second equation. Elimination method use करेंगे. This minus this means on subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So A plus 49D is equal to 106 and A plus 2D is equal to 12. Okay, this is second one and this is first one. We are going to subtract कर रहे हैं इसलिए साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे a and a कैंसल here 49 minus 2 that is 47d it is 47d is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4 and here is 94. This implies D is equal to 94 upon 47 that is 2. 47 2 ja 94. So we get the value of D is equal to 2. To find out the value of A, we will put the value of D in first equation. So putting D is equal to 2 in equation 1. So equation 1 is what? A plus 2D. So 2 into D, value of D is what? 2 is equal to 12. So A plus 2 2 ja 4 is equal to 12. So A is equal to 12 minus 4. So A is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8. So the value of A is 8. We have to find out now 29th term. So now 29th term will be what? A plus 28D. A is what? 8 plus 28 into D. D is what? 2. So it is 8 plus 28 into 2 that is 56 and 56 plus 8 is 64. So the 29th term of this AP will be what? 64 will be our answer. Question number 9 of exercise 5.2. Here it is given that the third and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 and we have to find out that which term of this AP is 0. So what is the number of terms of which term is 0? इसका कौन सा term जो है वो 0 होगा. So what is given here? third term means A3. A3 is given, that is what? 4. A9 is given, that is minus 8. We have to find out n. If an is equal to 0, it is given that an is equal to 0. This is given an is equal to 0. Means one of the term is 0. So which term is 0? We have to find out the number of that term. Okay, उस टर्म का कौन सी पोजीशन होगी, कौन सा इसका नंबर होगा. तो थर्ड टर्म A3 मीन्स A plus 2D इज इक्वल टू 4. थर्ड टर्म के लिए फॉर्मूला होगा A plus 2D. नाइन्थ टर्म A9, इसके लिए फॉर्मूला होगा A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. This is the first equation and second equation. Elimination method use कर लेंगे, second minus first कर देंगे. Means on subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. equation 2 में से 1 subtract करेंगे, 2 में से subtract कर रहे हैं इसलिए second equation पहले लिखेंगे. Then the first equation A plus 2D is equal to 4. subtract कर रहे हैं, साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे, A कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 8 minus 2 6D और minus 8 and it is also minus 4. 8 and 4 12, so it is 12. So D will be what? Minus 12 upon 6, that is minus 2. So we get the value of D means common difference is minus 2. Now putting this value in one of the equation to get value of A, putting D is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. equation 1 में D की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो equation 1 is what? A plus 2D. A plus 2D. D value of D is what? Minus 2 is equal to 4. So A plus 2 to ja, it is 4. Minus 4 is equal to 4. So A is equal to 4 plus 4. That is A is equal to 8. Now we have to find out which term is 0. So it is given that An is equal to 0. So using the formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. An is what? 0 here. Value of A we find out, it is 8. N minus 1 into D. D is what? Minus 2. Transposing 8 in this side, you will get minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. So it is minus 8 divided by minus 2. Minus 2 से multiply होगा तो divide कर देंगे. It is n minus 1. See, 8 divided by 2 is what? 4. So we get 4 is equal to n minus 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to n. So n is equal to 5. So what we conclude? The fifth term of this AP is 0. Hence what? Fifth term of given AP is 0. That we have to find out here. Question number 10. 17th term of an AP. 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term. Exceeds means this 17th term of AP 10th term से exceed कर रही है. कितना exceed कर रही है? By 7. Okay. It is exceed by 7. Means 17th term जो है 10th term से 7 ज्यादा है. More. Means the 17th term is 7 more than the 10th term. Okay. So I think understood what is given here. 17th term. This is the 17th term. ये 10th term से कितना ज्यादा है? 7 ज्यादा है. ओके. एक्सीड या मोर ग्रेटर तो हम क्या करते थे? प्लस. लेस इसमें क्या करते थे? माइनस. ठीक है. तो 17th टर्म जो है 10th टर्म से 7 मोर है. मीन्स एक्सीड है, 7 से ज्यादा है. ओके. this relation is given in the question. So we simply write the formula for 17th term. It is a plus 16d is equal to a plus 9d. 10th term के लिए a plus 9d plus 7. A and a cancel. So 16d minus 9d is equal to 7. 16 minus 9 is what? 7. 7d is equal to 7. So d is equal to 7 by 7. That is d is equal to 1. That we have to find out the common difference. Hence the common difference will be what? 1. Question number 11. Here, which term of this AP will be 32 more than its 54th term? इस AP की कौन सी टर्म जो है 54th टर्म से 132 मोर होगी, मीन्स ज्यादा होगी, ग्रेटर देन 54 term by 132. Okay, so the given AP is what? Given AP is 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on. First term is 3, common difference 15 minus 3, that is 12. Now according to question, which term? So we assume that that term is nth term. Okay, so nth term is what? 132 more than 54th term. तो 54th term क्या होगा? ये 54th term, इससे 132 more means ज्यादा है, means we have to find out this nth term. Okay, which is 150, which is 132 more than 54th term. 54th term से 132 ये ज्यादा है. Okay, so we have to find out this nth term. So we write the formula for nth term is what? Yes, this is according to question. A plus n minus 1d is equal to 54th term means a plus 53d प्लस 132. यहाँ मैंने 54th टर्म के लिए फॉर्मूला लिखा, nth टर्म के लिए फॉर्मूला लिखा. a से a कैंसिल हो जाएगा, फिर n माइनस 1d यहाँ पे है और 53d, तो n माइनस 1 एंड 53d और d की वैल्यू भी हमारे पास है 12, तो d की वैल्यू भी हम यहाँ पुट कर देंगे, दैट इज व्हाट 12. So it is 12 is equal to 53 into d. D is what? 12 plus 132. So n into 12, it is 12n minus 12 into minus 1 is minus 12 is equal to 12 3 ja 36 and 12 5 ja 60 and 3 63 plus 132. So it is 12n minus 12 is equal to, we'll add this 6 and 2 8, 3 then 3 6 and 6 and 1 7. Then 12n is equal to 768. So transpose करें plus 12. So it is 12n is equal to 8 into 10, 7 and 1 8 and it is 780. So n is equal to 780 upon 12. 12 6 ja 72 and 12 5 ja 60. So the value of n is what? 65. Means the required term will be what? 65th term. So required term is 65th term, and we can find out the term also. 65th term you may find out. Okay, and 65th term what you get? We already find out here. Yes, 60 term is a plus 64d. A, value of A is what? 3. 3 plus 64 into D. The value of D is what? 12. So it is 3 plus 48 and 64. It is 651. हम टर्म भी फाइंड आउट करेंगे, वैसा हमें यहाँ फाइंड आउट करना था विच टर्म. सो इट इज 65th term. In question number 12, we have two APs and having the same common difference. The common difference of the both APs are same, and the difference between their 100th term is 100. दोनों के जो 100th term हम का difference find out करेंगे तो that we will get 100. And the difference between their 1000 term we have to find out. So two APs are there. Suppose AP1 and the AP2 will take here. So the first term of this AP, common difference are same, first term are different. Suppose the first term of AP, this AP is A and the first term of this AP will be represented by capital A. Common difference of this AP is D and the common difference of this AP is also D. Now 100th term, so 100th term of this AP will be what? A plus 99D. and 100th term कैपिटल ए से रिप्रेजेंट करो तो इसको कैपिटल ए से रिप्रेजेंट कर दो ताकि दोनों को डिफरेंशिएट करने में आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगी. तो 100 टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? a plus 99d. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन? डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर 100th टर्म. तो a 100, इसका 100 टर्म और इसका 100 टर्म, इन दोनों का जो डिफरेंस है वो 100 है. ओके, मीन्स ये क्या होगा? a plus 99d. दिस इज व्हाट? a plus कैपिटल A plus 99d is equal to 100. ओके, on removing the bracket you will get a plus 99d minus a plus minus minus 99d is equal to 100. So 99d plus or 99d minus cancel. We will get a small a minus capital A is equal to 100. Means the difference between their first term is 100. Take it as a first relation. Now we have to find out the difference between their 1000 term. So difference between their 1000th term is equal to what? A 1000 minus A 1000. It is A plus 999D and this is A plus 999D. Sorry, 999D. Okay. जब भी माइनस के बाद अगर हमारे पास मोर देन 2 टर्म्स हो, 2 और मोर देन 2 टर्म्स हो, तो आपको उसको ब्रैकेट में रखना है, क्योंकि जब ब्रैकेट ओपन होगा तो ये माइनस साइन जो है दोनों पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा. यस, a प्लस 999d माइनस a प्लस माइनस माइनस 999d. Yes, 999d positive, negative cancel, you will get a minus a. And a minus a is what? 100. Okay, using first. So what we conclude here? The difference between their 1000 term will be also 100. Hence what? You will write here that the difference between their 1000 term will be 100.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो